back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. We're gonna be playing one of my favorite games. Guess what's in this box because I forget short-term memory. Starting my IPSY Extra for, what is it, August. Look at this poor little thing. I'm pretty sure you came by like, I don't know, Go Faux carrier. Okay. Yeah, just some chick came and like tossed it onto one of the chairs in the front and like dipped out real quick, but here it is, my IPSY Extra for August 2026. Why did I want to say 23? Do you guys feel like it's 2023? I'm using my knife to open this because I see my cloud knife in passing. Not sure where it is currently though, but if you're new to IPSY Extra, Editing Me is going to leave all the information down below because she's so good at that. Thank you, Editing Me. But 5 full-size items, you get to pick 2 of the 5, wait no, you get to pick 3 of the 5 items. IPSY picks 2 of the 5 items, and then the 3 and then the 2, it makes 5. Math. Yay. Oh, beauty is more fun here. Okay. So they're starting to do this thing. You get this cute little insert and a bag. The things aren't even in the bag. This is literally empty bag, folded tossed. Fold, toss. Yeah, I did see on the IPSY website different ways you can reuse your bag. I fear I've been doing this for so long, I have so many, but that's okay. Ooh. In this insert, it tells you it's IPSY August 2026. Very cute, very posh look for, I would say like back to school. Very nice, yeah. The soft reset, yes. Soft, the skin is giving soft. The look is giving soft. Ooh, on the back, they have the origins, the edit, and sneak peek for, I guess, next month's product. Cool. Nice. And then on the inside, we have barrier better. So how to help, what to look for, to do. Oh, and then hair. And that's everything. And I know what you're thinking. How are we supposed to know what's in the box? IPSY. I have to pull up my app, which I forget every single time. Please hold. Yes. Alright, so I got information pulled up on my phone, so let me pull everything out of my box one by one. I have it sitting next to me, so I'm a little like, I'm not exactly in frame, I'm a little off, but that's totally okay. As long as we can get through this together. The first item that IPSY picked for me is from LISH Cosmetics, $30 hairs. $30. It's a powder blush duo in peachy keen. You get a soft peach and then a pink coral color. It's like split down the middle. Let me show you. I can show you. I do like how they package some of these breakable things like this. Very helpful. Very packaging. Really cute. I like the way it looks. I love the pink. Looks more coral than pink. Maybe that's why I like it. I do enjoy coral. Not like on me, but ooh, that's cute. Open. Open. How open? Do I put it? Like it's got this little thing. Is that a button? How? Oh dear. Yep. Oh. Are you? I don't know if it's a button. Here's the inside of it though. Kind of flat product. Fab Squad. Pew. I thought it would be like. It feels like it's not all the way full. That's just me though. And you got a cute little mirror. How do you open this though? Is it like you push and then lift, or it's it's thin. So how do you push and then lift at the same? There's nothing to like grab. I just stick my nail in there. Oh. Which I don't like because I just have my normal natural nails with like the gel on top. I'm so tired today. Let's put this back. How much were you? How much was this? $30. I was like $32, $30. So $15 per color. They look a little flat. But I mean, maybe there's a lot of pigment. Maybe you don't need that much. You never know. On to the next item that IPSY picked for me. It is from Dr. BRANDT Skincare. Oh. Nope. No. Yes, I like this one. Yeah. It says Dr. B Lab, but that would be Dr. BRANDT Skincare. It's a Glassaholic face serum peel. $72. I'm sorry, a peel? $72. How we're going to use it: apply evenly to clean, dry skin. Leave for 8 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Follow with moisturizer. What are you supposed to, like, instant peel over time, or you just transform? Natural HAs, BHAs, gently resurfaces. Okay. I guess that's it. Had me a little scared there. Look how cute this color. Hello. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Oh, you're almost there. That's cute. And it's thick, so we're like a little jelly-y. Cute. Kind of like the way it looks. Maybe, if it doesn't hurt, I'm on board. But I've been doing the, what are those? I forget the brand, but it has the little spicules in it. And I don't know if you've ever had the, what is it? It's the something with the sea sponge facial, like by an esthetician, like at a place. Those spicules stayed in my skin, and I felt them like little shards of glass just like in there and snapping and poking, and for like 2 days. And the little one in the jar goes away in like 2 minutes, but the flashbacks. All right, next 3 products. What I picked. I was not gonna get this, but then I was like, get it. Ooh, this is the MERCIER Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Waterproof Foundation in 2-in-1 Cashew. I didn't know you were waterproof. What? Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. So why does IPSY say waterproof, but Laura Mercier doesn't say waterproof? That says waterproof. Weightless Perfecting Waterproof Foundation. This one just says Weightless Perfecting Foundation. Please don't be waterproof. That's weird. Don't think. No. Okay. I don't know if that's going to be the color that's in here. We look like it, so we might be a good match. What got me was the bottle. She looks cute. Yeah, and even on here it says Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. Nothing about waterproof. IPSY, don't scare me. I'm not a fan of waterproof, and I'm not a fan of this baby hair trying to curl. It's super humid in Arizona, well, in southern Arizona right now, and my hair wants to try and curl, and I'm like, no, not right now, baby girl. We don't have time. But she's still trying. Okay. Ooh. All right, the next, I thought, never mind. I don't know what I thought, honestly. I should really record myself while I'm doing the picking and choosing process, because I'm like, did I pick? I don't know. But this is from CIELE. How do you say this? CIELE. That's how I want to say it. That's how I'm gonna say it. It's an SPF primer. So I was like, of course, something that is specifically an SPF and specifically a primer, given it's only SPF 30, but I'll take what I can get. $38. Oh, did I say that the Laura Mercier foundation? $54. It's up there for me. I think the most I would spend is 20, maybe 30 if I absolutely loved it, but like 54. Anywho, back to this primer. $38. It says shake well, smooth into skin, fingertips. Last step after skincare. Wear alone as your daily SPF or add foundation for a smooth application that grips and is long lasting. I'm a gripping primer girly. I am. Because I have oily skin and I have pores all over my skin too. Like the pores. But I'd rather have my makeup last than try and fill in my pores and have slippy slidey makeup. I feel like you can't have both. I can't have both. You might be able to have both. I can't have both. This is cute. Am I supposed to be able to set this down? We balance barely. Like there's teeny tiny balances. Barely. That's cool. Okay. Prime and protect. Plan on it. Ooh. The last item I picked was from Day Hair. It's the Dream Veil Hair Plus Body Fragrance Mist. $24. That's a lot, but okay. Shake well, mist generously on hair and body. Repeat throughout the day. Need an extra spritz of sunshine. What do you smell like? Oh. Oh. Shake well. Can I know you're not supposed to spray it in the lid. Ooh. Very orange peel. Nice. But very orange peel. Different. But okie dokie. And that's the whole box. I have a bag over there and putting everything. I'm very proud of myself. But anywho. That's the whole box. Poor box. That's the whole box. Let me see if I can put... Should I take this back? I'll just leave it. Because I don't know when I'm going to hit them on how we're going to... Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam! Oh, should I put it here? Bam! This is my August IPSY 2026. Let me know what you got in your box, though. Definitely. How... Oh, scoot, scoot, scoot. Nice. Anywho, that's the box. We're done. Welcome, not even welcome to August. We're in the middle of August. Congrats on making it almost to the end of August. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!